When you install Let's Do It on your iPhone and you have an Apple Watch, the Watch app may or may not be automatically installed on your watch. This depends on how you have set up your watch preferences. For example, here I have Let's Do It installed on my iPhone, but not on my watch. If I open the Watch app on my phone and go to the General section, I see that I do not have Automatic App Install turned on. If this were on, each time I install a new iPhone app that has a corresponding Watch app, the Watch app will be installed as well. No problem though, simply locate the Let's Do It app in the list and tap the Install button. Now the first time you launch the app, you'll be told that your data is out of sync. Just launch the iPhone app. If the data on your watch does not sync immediately, either complete a Do It or move to another tab and back again. This will trigger a transfer of the data to your watch and you're good for the whole day to make your completions on the watch. Each morning you must open the iPhone app and repeat this process to refresh the daily Do It's on your watch. There's one more thing you can do as well. If you use a watch face that allows complications, then you can add the Let's Do It app directly to your watch face. Force touch to get the customization screen and swipe to where you can choose complications. Scroll on one of the complications until you see Let's Do It. Now you can launch directly from the watch face.